welcome you all to new series of YouTube channel Little About Aviation. In this series, we will provide you all weekly update about aviation industry. So, let us start. After President call for liquidation, Government of Namibia is considering option for Air Namibia. Air Namibia is the national carrier of Namibia. The company was founded on November of 1946 as Southwest Air Transport. In the year 1982, government became major shareholder of the airlines. The airline's main hub is at Hosea Kotako International Airport. According to an article published by The Namibian, the national carrier need 7 billion Nairobian dollar this financial year to survive. This amount also take into account an outstanding debt of over 5 billion Nairobian dollar. According to the chairman of Cabinet Committee on Treasury, they are assessing different options to restructure Air Namibia because current model is unsuitable and unaffordable. An Airbus A320 and Boeing 777-300 came near to collision over Russian airspace. 10th of June, an S-7 Siberia Airlines Airbus A320 came close to Boeing 777 of Emirates. The sector both the aircraft were flying was under the control of Rostov-on-Don air traffic controller, who had a trainee controller under supervision watching the airspace. An experienced controller looking at the adjacent airspace notices that two aircraft were dangerously close and notifies the trainee supervisor. The aircraft were traveling in opposite direction. The sector controller took action, turning Boeing 777 50-degree right while telling Airbus A320 to immediate descent to 36,000 feet while also turning 50-degree to right. At a point, both the aircraft were just 3.8 nautical miles and 500 feet apart from each other. EU bans PIA for 6 months. The European Union Air Safety Agency ESA has suspended Pakistan International Airlines to operate in Europe for 6 months following fake license issue. The move was taken after Pakistan itself announced 262 pilots have dubious license. PIA said that ESA has temporarily suspended PIA's authority to operate over EU member state for a period of 6 months effectively from July 1, 2020, with rights to appeal against this decision. An Airbus A330 loses primary computer after touchdown. On June the 14th, Air China Airbus A330 experienced failure of several systems as the aircraft touched down at Taipei Songshan Airport. With aircraft primary computer, thrust reverser and auto brake system not responsive, pilot have to apply manual brakes. The aircraft come to a complete stop with just 10 meters of runway remaining. The Airbus A330-300 was performing flight number CI-202 from Shanghai, China to Taipei, Taiwan. Taiwanese Civil Aviation Authority has reported that root cause of failure is still under investigation. United Airlines adds nearly 25,000 flights in August. United Airlines announced it is tripling the size of August schedule compared to July 2020 schedule, adding nearly 25,000 domestic an international flight and plans to fly 40% of overall schedule in August in compared to 2019. According to Transportation Security Administration, more than 600,000 passengers passed through airport security on Monday, June the 29th. The first time since March 19 that the number exceeded 25% pre-COVID level. That is all for this video. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. Hope the video might have been informative to you. If you like the content of the channel, then please like, share and subscribe to it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any suggestion for the video or you want to share anything with us, then please mention it in the comment section down below. In order to get update about our weekly videos, follow us on social media. Link for all the social media accounts will be given in the description down below. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.